But
Brett, I also want to say thank you regarding, the letters that you receive, that it's not much appreciated. It's much more welcoming for someone like me. I'm just starting as well to come in and hopefully meet an owner or one of the attendants. I guess it's that personal touch. But to all of you ladies, I'm just starting. I actually, started making calls to owners. That's difficult. I mean, I just got ring after ring, but I had one gentleman. I'm in the San Francisco Bay Area, and he just bought, I think it was last year, a pretty big operation and doing really well. And he was very forthcoming with information and everything. But I
mm,
have to be honest with you, ladies, he was a little discouraging to me because he said, Gloria, you're going to need all this money, and it's really competitive out there and everything. And it was just like he burst my balloon and my bubble and everything.
Yeah.
And I'm really, this is the first time I'm attending one of these forums, and I just want to say thank you to all of you, because it's a very honest forum. You're very forthcoming with the information, and I just want some encouragement, ladies.
yeah,
I've started companies before, but it just makes sense to possibly buy an existing company.
yeah,
And I think it was maybe Shannon, someone here, the financials, the P&L.
mhm,
Someone could just give you a spreadsheet or a P&L from QuickBooks
right,
or whatever, but if you sign that NDA, hopefully you can get tax returns,
right,
because the tax returns are what they have submitted to the IRS, right? So
right.
those are believable numbers. And so those are the type of numbers that I would look at, right? And
What
so
is a NDA? What is that?
Non-disclosure
non-disclosure
And
agreement.
agreement.
I should
Yes.
Yeah.
sign that to get
Yeah, their financials.
their
Yeah,
financials.
yeah,
Oh.
And what it is, Robin, is, you're telling them you're not sharing the information that you get from them with anybody. It's all the information you talk about with the owner or whoever it is. It's confidential, and it's between you and the owner. That's what it is. You
Oh.
keep all the information confidential.
Okay.
right.
But anyway, ladies, so thank you for your feedback, your information. But I guess what I want is kind of the state of the union. Um, how difficult is it, or like I believe um, I'm so sorry, the moderator. I don't know your name, but you were
Danielle,
saying
I'm sorry, Danielle. I didn't
Danielle.
actually, I think I forgot to introduce myself. I'm sorry. Um,
Danielle, thank you. Yeah.
well, that's what this is for. So, there is a lot of information out there on laundromats right now. It's a very sort of hot business, and you can find all sorts of people who talk about getting into the business, and there's some, you can get in for free and all this stuff. And I think where CLA fits in is it's a great business, and I'm sure the store owners on here can tell you it's a great business, but it's not as easy as people make it sound. I
Right.
think I'm hearing again and again that it is a simple business, but it's not easy. Yeah, I mean, you do have to have some money to get started. You do have to be willing to put in the work. You know, you don't buy it and walk away and the money starts going into your bank account like some of these, YouTube videos are showing. I mean, there is a reality to it. It is a business, but I think it's a very rewarding business. So I think, what we're trying to do here is, yes, tell you the real story, not discourage you, but you want to go in with your eyes open. You want to do your homework. You want to do your research. I mean, all in, you're probably talking $1 million that you're investing in a laundromat. I mean, that's not, chump change. So you want to make
Right.
sure you're going into it and knowing, what you're getting into. So I'll get off my soapbox,
Mhm.
but that's what CLA is
Surprises.
for, is
That's
to
what you're getting
educate.
into.
Thank you so much. Thank you.